If you have 0 lashes, your lashes are thin, short, or basically gone, this is for you. Here's how you create the illusion of having thicker lashes. You want to use a creamy, long-lasting pencil for this. And what we're going to do is wiggle the pencil in between the lashes. This is not lining the waterline. This is placing the pigment in between the lashes that you have or directly on the lash line if you have 0 lashes. At the base of the lash, wiggle your pencil in between the lashes. Or if it feels more comfortable, you can use the dot method. And that's where you place little tiny dots in between the lashes. We're not concerned with this being perfect. If you actually get a little bit on the top lid, it's okay. Once you get the liner mostly in place, you're going to need a small, dense brush. Now we're going to take that little brush and we're going to blend. Blending is going to do a couple of things. Mostly, it's going to make it look like we didn't just draw dark brown eyeliner on and leave it in one harsh line. So it's going to soften it, fan that color out a little bit, and make it look like there's actually something there. Sometimes people think that the length is the prettiest part of the lash, but it's actually the definition that it gives your eye. So now we have the definition. Once you get that down, if you want to add a little bit more, add a small amount of liner right on the outer edge of the lash line. Blend it into the lash line, but also upward. And that way it gives the illusion of a fanned out lash on the outer part of the eye. Now we've got the illusion of having thicker lashes. And for those who had 0, now you have some. Check that top pinned comment for more, and I'll see you in the next one.